This property is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, split-level style home. This property is listed for $289,000. Interior features of this property include hardwood floors, an eat-in kitchen, a partial basement, natural gas heat, an office, a gourmet kitchen, and a kitchen island. On the outside, this property features a fenced yard. The approximate square footage is 1,268 square feet.